33 flowers. Learning English is fun. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can replace a noun in a sentence. A noun can be a person, a place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. There are many types of pronouns, but today we're going to talk about subject pronouns. Let's go and look at all the pronouns that can replace the subject in a sentence. Singular pronouns: I, you, she, he, it. Plural pronouns: you, we, they. Examples: I am a teacher. We use the pronoun I when we are talking about ourselves. You are a pupil. We use the pronoun you when we are speaking directly to another person. I am a teacher. You are a pupil. Remember, the pronoun he is used for a boy, she for a girl, it is used for animals, things, and objects. John is happy. John is a boy. So which pronoun can replace the noun John? Correct. It is the pronoun he. He is happy. John is happy. He is happy. Sue is a pupil. She is a girl, so we replace her name with the pronoun she. She is a pupil. Sue is a pupil. She is a pupil. The dog is my pet. The dog is an animal, so we use the pronoun it. It is my pet. The dog is my pet. It is my pet. Me and my friends are playing. We replace me and my friends with the pronoun we. We are playing. Me and my friends are playing. We are playing. You are in the classroom. We use the pronoun you in plural when we are speaking to a group of people. You are in the classroom. Tom and Sarah are friends. To talk about a group of people in plural, we use the pronoun they. They are friends. Tom and Sarah are friends. They are friends. I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. Thanks for watching. See you next time.